Our Hiligaynon or Ilonggo word for the day is HIMAYA. HIMAYA. When we say HIMAYA in English, it would either mean honor, glory, bliss, happiness, or to be in bliss, or to enjoy glory, felicity, or happiness. HIMAYA. HIMAYA. Let us have the following sample sentences. The first one is, San-o pa kita makatilaw sang himaya? San-o pa kita makatilaw sang himaya? When we say san-o, that's when kita is us or like we. Makatilaw is to experience or to taste. And then himaya is happiness or honor or glory or bliss. San-o pa kita makatilaw sang himaya? So in English, that means when are we going to experience happiness or honor or glory, or when are we going to enjoy glory? San-o pa kita makatilaw sang himaya? The next one is wala sang himaya diri sa lupa. Wala sang himaya diri sa lupa. When we say wala, that means there isn't, there's none, and diri is here, and then lupa is land, on land. Wala sang himaya diri sa lupa. So that means in English, that translates to there's no happiness here on land. Wala sang himaya diri sa lupa. San-o pa kita makatilaw sang himaya? Wala sing himaya diri sa lupa. Wala sang himaya diri sa lupa. Once again, when we say himaya, that would either mean honor, glory, bliss, happiness, to be in bliss, enjoy glory, felicity, or happiness in English. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Thank you very much, goodbye, and take care.